Welcome, young coders. Today, we're diving into the world of superheroes using Scratch Junior. Let's create our own superhero sprite. Open Scratch Junior and start a new project. First things first, let's add a character to our stage. Go ahead and select any sprite you like. Maybe it's a superhero or a friendly character. Now, let's give our character a superhero makeover. Click on the paintbrush icon to enter the paint editor. Select the line tool and choose the color you want for your superhero's cape. Draw the cape by clicking and dragging. Don't forget the mask. Draw a cool superhero mask for your character. Once you're satisfied with your superhero's new look, hit the check mark to save your changes. This will take you back to the main stage with your updated sprite. But wait, our superhero needs a friend or maybe a foe. Let's create another sprite. It can be another superhero or even a villain. Use your imagination and have fun with it. And there you have it, little creators. You've just learned how to add and edit sprites in Scratch Junior. Now go ahead, experiment, and create your own superhero adventures. Have a blast coding.